Hello everyone, I'm Liam. Please allow me to introduce our final project, Lecture Classroom Evaluation System. This is the login page here. After you log in, you can see the overall change in data, which is your rating during a time period. And you can also compare with other instructors. This is the function provided by system. You can see your self-rating and the department's overall average rating and the whole university average rating here. And if you want to see any specific time, you can just click here. You will see all the details of the questions and what's the proportion of different kind of answers. We use a pie chart to express the result. And we also have another important part is our create evaluation function. You can create a new questionnaire form here. Just input the name of the course, start time and duration. And there also a show access button here. If you click it, you can see the URL of the questionnaire or the QR code. You can get into this page both in two ways. If we click the URL, we can see our final evaluation form. There are 6 questions altogether. If you want to submit the question without any choices, it will show a wrong, which is an illegal operation. So we need to click and then submit. After this, you will see a successful page here. Because this is an administrator account, so it also includes some other function. You can see an overview function here, which can see the overall average data of all the instructor here. Yeah, the total number or how many evaluations already done. And also, because we are the administrator account, so also have the user management. You can see you can administrator as you are an administrator, you can create a user here. Yeah, input the username and role, and you can make edit to it, or reset password, or even abandon this account. At last, we have a help page, which you can see all the question in the questionnaire in this page. There are 18 questions in total. Okay, that's all. Thanks.
This is a mobile phone version of our final project.